How to make monthly income with crypto, even in a bear market. You click this video because you're tired of watching your crypto sit there, doing absolutely nothing while the market throws tantrums like a toddler with a sugar crash. Bear market? Bull market? Who cares? You just want income. Well, strap in, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how people are turning volatile crypto into monthly cash flow, without day trading, gambling on meme coins, or praying for a moonshot. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, it's for educational and entertainment purposes only. You're the captain of your own crypto ship. I'm just here to hand you a much better map. First, staking. The chill, set it and forget it method. Think of staking like putting your crypto in a high-yield savings account, except the bank is a blockchain and the interest is paid in more crypto. Proof-of-stake networks like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana let you lock up your coins to help validate transactions. And in return, they pay you with fresh crypto, like little digital thank you notes. Now, staking isn't just free money. You're locking up your funds, which means if the market tanks, you can't yank them out immediately. It's like sending your crypto to college, that you can't pull them back mid-semester just because you saw a shiny new meme coin. Rewards? They vary. Ethereum staking averages 4 to 5% APY. Smaller chains may offer 8 to 12%, but with more risk. Use a trusted validator or centralized platform like Coinbase or Kraken, though they'll take a cut, or go full DeFi and stake directly. Always research slashing risks. Some protocols penalize validators and you for downtime or bad behavior. Now, if locking up your crypto sounds too much like commitment, let's talk about the Tinder of crypto income. 2. Yield farming, where crypto works overtime. Yield farming is like putting your crypto to work on a farm, except instead of corn, you're harvesting APY. You deposit tokens into a liquidity pool, like pairing ETH with USDC, and in return, you earn trading fees and sometimes bonus tokens. Why? Because DeFi protocols need liquidity to function, so they bribe, reward you with juicy yields, sometimes 20% or more. Sounds great, right? But here's the kicker. Impermanent loss. It's when the value of the tokens you deposited shifts wildly and you lose out compared to just holding them. It's like opening a lemonade stand with your cousin, only to find out he sold all the lemons and now owes you in limes. Platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Curve are popular for this. And while the returns can be wild, so can the risk. Rug pulls, volatile prices, and smart contract bugs are all part of the thrill ride. But maybe you're more into stable, boring money. The kind that doesn't make your blood pressure spike. Good news, that's next. 3. Covered calls, the lazy genius way to monetize your crypto. Alright, imagine this. You're chilling on the couch, holding Ethereum, scrolling through TikTok, and boom, you get paid. Not from selling your ETH, not from staking it, but from basically renting out the possibility that someone else might want to buy it at a higher price. Welcome to the world of covered calls. Here's how it works, in human speak. You already own the crypto, let's say 1 ETH. You sell a call option that says, hey, if ETH hits $3,000 by next Friday, you can buy it from me at that price. The buyer pays you a premium upfront, just for that chance. If ETH stays below $3,000, they don't exercise the option. You keep your ETH and the cash they paid you. Congrats! You literally got paid to sit on your coins. If ETH goes above $3,000, yeah, you're obligated to sell, but you still locked in gains and you already pocketed the premium. It's like selling your car for $10,000, then watching it go to $12,000. Could you have made more? Sure, but you still walked away with a win and a free upgrade to your snack budget. Now, this strategy shines in sideways or slightly bullish markets, when your coin isn't doing backflips but also isn't flatlining. It's a killer income play while you wait for the next bull cycle. Platforms like Deribit, Ribbon Finance, Bybit, and even Zeta on Solana automate this for you. Set it, forget it, and check your wallet while you sip overpriced coffee. But warning, covered calls cap your upside. So if ETH decides to go full rocket ship and blast past your strike price, you're stuck selling early, while the rest of the market's lighting cigars with profit screenshots. Still, if you're not trying to time the top, this strategy is like having your cake and charging rent for the slice. But if renting your crypto sounds fun, how about becoming the house itself and charging people to play the game? Stick around because next we're flipping the casino model in your favor. 4. Liquidity provision, be the exchange. Alright, let's flip the script. You've been a crypto customer. You've swapped tokens, chased airdrops, and probably paid some gas fees that made you question your life choices. But what if, plot twist, you became the exchange? Enter liquidity provision. In simple terms, you're not trading. You're enabling trades. You provide a pair of tokens, say ETH and USDC, into a decentralized exchange pool like Uniswap 5.3, Curve, or Balancer. And in return, you earn a cut of every transaction that goes through your pool. You're not the gambler at the table. You're the house skimming the rake. Think of it like setting up a vending machine. You stock it with soda, ETH, and chips, USDC. Every time someone buys or sells a snack, you collect a little fee. And guess what? That vending machine runs 24/7, globally, permissionlessly, and never asks for a lunch break. Now let's talk flavors. Stablecoin pairs like USDC/DAI are your low-stress vanilla latte option. Lower yield, but practically no drama. And you won't wake up to find your portfolio doing the financial Harlem Shake. Volatile pairs like Etheus/USDC or BTC/DAI. Higher yields, but more emotional turbulence. Great if you love roller coasters and refreshing your dashboard at 2 a.m. But here's the plot twist nobody puts on the brochure. Impermanent loss. This happens when one token in your pair moons while the other chills on the couch. The pool rebalances your assets to keep the ratio, meaning you could end up with less of the valuable asset. TLDR, you might make less than if you just held the tokens separately. Ouch! And don't forget protocol risk. These DEX are powered by smart contracts, aka code. If there's a bug, exploit, or rug pull, your funds could vanish faster than your paycheck on payday. So here's the play. Use reputable platforms, Uniswap, Curve, Balancer. Start small, read the docs, stick with stablecoin pairs until you're battle-tested. Liquidity provision can be a solid monthly income stream if you respect the risks and play the game smart. You're not just parking coins, you're monetizing them like a true DeFi landlord. But what if I told you there's a way to earn even without putting your tokens at risk of price swings or impermanent loss? Yeah, the next strategy might just be the chillest way to stack passive crypto income. 5. Understand the risks, protect the bag. Look, everybody wants passive income, but if you don't understand the risks, you're not building a money machine. You're building a financial Jenga tower on a trampoline. Let's make one thing very clear. Risk is part of the game, but ignoring it is how you end up in a Reddit thread titled, "I lost everything in a DeFi farm with a dog logo." So here's your survival kit, aka the don't get wrecked checklist. Staking risks. Sounds safe, right? Lock up your coins, earn rewards, sleep easy, but not so fast. There's slashing, where misbehaving validators can get your stake partially burned. Then there's token volatility. Earning 5% APR is cute until your token drops 50% in a week. And unstaking delays? Some platforms make you wait days or weeks to pull your funds, which feels like being stuck in an elevator during a fire drill. Yield farming risks. This is where things get wild. Think impermanent loss, where your token pair shifts so aggressively that your profits look more like polite suggestions. Oh, and let's not forget rug pulls, when developers say "brave" and disappear forever, or smart contract bugs that drain the entire protocol overnight. DeFi's fun until it bites. Covered calls. These are great in sideways markets, but remember, you're literally selling your upside. If ETH goes full rocket ship and you sold a call at a lower strike, congrats! You just made money and missed out on being rich. Bittersweet, right? Liquidity provision. You're earning fees, yes. But if your tokens pump while you're in a pool, the auto rebalancing means you might end up with more of the stablecoin and less of the mooning asset. Plus, in low volume periods, that juicy fee income, yeah, it dries up faster than your willpower on pizza night. So how do you not get wrecked? Here's the TLDR. Diversify like your freedom depends on it. Don't throw your whole portfolio into one protocol with a food-themed name. Start small. You don't need to go big or go home. This isn't Vegas. Stick with trusted platforms. If you haven't heard of it and it's promising 400% APR with no risk, that's not a yield farm, that's bait. Remember, there's no such thing as risk-free yield. If there was, billionaires would have gobbled it up already and left us the crumbs. So with all that in mind, what's actually worth doing? What strategies give you the best shot at earning monthly income from crypto without kissing your wallet goodbye? Let's break it down. 6. The right strategy for you. Pick your path. Want something low maintenance and consistent? Staking stablecoins or ETH like being a little hands-on. Covered calls give you structure and premium income. DeFi degens with nerves of steel? Yield farming or liquidity provision is your jam. Just don't YOLO your entire wallet. Use tools like DeFi Llama, Zapper, and DBank to track your returns and avoid rug pulls like the plague. So how do you turn all this into a legit income stream month after month? Let's wrap it up. 7. Build your crypto cash flow machine. Here's the play. Stop waiting for the next bull run like it's a Marvel movie release. Start stacking monthly income now. That means stake your ETH or SOL and collect rewards while you sleep. Run covered calls and get paid weekly for holding. Farm or provide liquidity. If you've got the risk appetite, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting paid consistently, even when the market's bleeding. So don't just hold your crypto, hire it. Let it work overtime while you focus on real life. If you learned something new, smash that like button like it owes you gas fees. Hit subscribe for more no-fluff crypto content every single week. And hey, drop a comment. Which strategy are you going to try first? Because you're not just an investor now, you're building a crypto cash flow empire. Catch you in the next one. Stay bold, stay smart, stay earning.